Hi everyone, and welcome to Red Group's numeracy lesson for Tuesday. The learning intention is we are learning to understand what halves are. The success criteria: I can understand that 2 halves is equal to 1 whole. Imagine you cut an apple into halves. This means you have cut the apple into 2 equal parts. If you eat one of the halves, you have eaten 1/2 of the apple. The top number, the 1, tells you how many parts you have eaten, and the bottom number, the 2, tells you how many parts you started with. If you eat the other half, you have eaten 2 halves. This fraction amount can be written as a number. When we say the number, we say 2 halves. 2 halves is equal to 1 whole because when you have eaten the 2 halves, you have eaten the whole apple. For your independent task, you will need to get your maths book, and in your maths book, draw a picture of a whole apple, just like the picture of the apple you can see on this page. Then underneath the whole apple, write the words 1 whole, so that you can see that you have 1 whole apple. Then next to that, draw 2 halves of an apple and write the fraction number underneath. So in the picture you can see 2 halved apples and the fraction amount 2 halves. Then in between the whole apple and the 2 halves, write a big equal sign so that you know that 1 whole apple is the same amount or is equal to 2 halves of an apple. Your picture should look like this. If you like, try doing some other pictures with different types of food like an orange or biscuit to show that 1 whole equals 2 halves.